Let's talk about LabVIEW. What is LabVIEW? So LabVIEW is a product of National Instruments, and LabVIEW stands for Laboratory Virtual Instrumentation Engineering Workbench. So as the name indicates, LabVIEW is a laboratory virtual instrument. So you are creating different type of virtual instruments using LabVIEW. Suppose you see a DSO or CRO in a physical environment, like you might have the DSOs and CROs in your lab. So it has a front panel. Every instrument is having a front panel. It is having, on the front panel there are rotating knobs, there are buttons, there's a display, there are some LEDs. So these all are the basic components of a front panel. Then there is the internal circuitry involved, which is basically the wires, some connections, some soldering joints, right? So that particular real instrument is somewhere replicated to the virtual environment by LabVIEW. So there you can design a whole GUI, graphical user interface, using this tool. And you can even, where you'll be having two windows. First is the front panel window. For the front panel window will comprise of the basic functions that you see in a real instrument, like controls, which includes the knobs, buttons, right? Some indicators like display, LED, right? So these all components you will find in the front panel window of your lab. Similarly, block diagram consists of the connections, right, and the different functions you want to use. Suppose you might have used a while loop or for loop in textual programming, but there you will see that there you have to write the code. But here you will be getting a loop, you will be getting a function, or basically an icon, which you just need to drop there on the block diagram window and you can use it. So that particular while loop function or that particular icon will work like a while loop. So everything is just like drag and drop. So it's not basically about the textual programming, because somewhere people find textual programming difficult, and so this is a very great platform where they can, if they are even aware about the textual programming, they can utilize Python there, they can utilize MATLAB in LabVIEW. So the compatibility, even the Vivado visual programming. So LabVIEW is providing you compatibility with different type of softwares where you can use these tools with LabVIEW, and somewhere you can create a good user interface using LabVIEW. Thank you.